For this chicken wraps recipe, I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken breasts. I've cut into small cubes. First, I'm going to marinate the chicken, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, add some freshly crushed pepper, next add 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of pound ginger, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, the juice of half lemon. So if you don't happen to have lemons, you can also use vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Next add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix everything together. Make sure everything is well combined. Let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. To the pan, add a little oil, about 1 tablespoon. Spread across the pan. Now I'm going to stir fry the marinated chicken pieces. Stir fry the chicken till it's completely cooked. So I'm going to check if the chicken is cooked. You can see it's cooked perfectly. It's nice and white. So this is an indication the chicken is cooked completely. So the chicken is cooked, it's done. I'm going to keep this aside. For the spicy mayo, take a few tablespoons of mayonnaise to a bowl. You can either use egg or eggless. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Just mix it together. So if you want a stronger flavor of the chili sauce, you can add more chili sauce and mix it together. The spicy mayo is ready. Now I'm going to start rolling off the wrap. I have a few ready-made store-bought tortillas. Just heat them lightly. To the tortilla, add a few sliced onions. Add a few thinly sliced capsicum pieces. I'll have a few thinly sliced tomatoes. So I've de-seeded the tomatoes and I've sliced them nice and thin. I have some iceberg lettuce. Just nice fresh iceberg lettuce. Now add the cooked chicken pieces. Place it on top. So just the filling is up to you. Whatever you wish or please, you can fill it up. That looks gorgeous. Top it up with some spicy mayo. Just going to hold it in place with a toothpick. So that looks like an amazing chicken wrap with all the goodness of veggies and chicken and the mayo. Make sure you make these chicken wraps just before you eat, and as soon as you make them, make sure you serve them immediately and enjoy them. For the Paneer Frankie roll, I've taken 200 grams of paneer, cut it into small cubes. First, I'm going to marinate the paneer with a few ingredients. Add 3 teaspoons of curd. To this, add ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, ½ teaspoon garam masala powder, ½ teaspoon chaat masala powder, ½ teaspoon salt, and the juice of half lemon. Let this sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a quick mint and coriander chutney. I've taken a few mint leaves, a few coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger cut into pieces, the juice of half lemon, ¼ teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of curd. Add a little water. Grind it to a nice fine chutney. I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of kala namak, that is black salt, for the chutney. Mix it well and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to fry the paneer. Heat the pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add the marinated paneer pieces. Cook the paneer for about 5 minutes on high flame. Remove it and keep it aside. So I'm just going to make a quick vegetable salad that goes into the paneer roll. For this I've taken 1 large onion thinly sliced, 1 capsicum thinly sliced, 1 medium sized carrot cut into juliennes, shredded cabbage. Giving the vegetables a little punch, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Now this is entirely optional. Just mix it together. Now I'm going to start assembling the Paneer Frankie roll. I have a few pre-made chapatis. I'm just going to heat it up before making the Frankie roll. Now I'm going to assemble the Paneer Frankie roll. I've taken a chapati. To this add the mint chutney. Place a handful of the mixed vegetables. Next add the paneer. Roll the Frankie and serve it immediately. Masala paste. For this I've taken 5 large green chilies chopped, about 8 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger chopped, half onion chopped. Grind everything to a nice fine paste. I've taken 2 chicken breasts, cut it into strips. To this I'm going to add a few ingredients, starting with the juice of half lemon, 1 teaspoon masala paste. To this add quarter cup of thick curd, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Add some chopped coriander leaves. After adding all the ingredients, mix the marinade along with the chicken pieces. Make sure it's all coated nicely. Let this sit for about 30 minutes in the marinade. Next I'm going to cook the chicken. For this take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the marinated pieces onto the pan. Cook the chicken for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Chicken is done. If you like it a little saucy with the marinade, then you can turn off the stove at this point. Next I'm going to make a spicy mayonnaise. For this I've taken about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of SCHEZWAN paste. Just mix it together. The spicy mayonnaise is done. Now let's start making the wraps. I have a few pre-made chapatis. Add the mint chutney and spread it. I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with some thinly sliced onions. Add some thinly sliced capsicum. Juliennes of carrot. I'm going to add the spicy mayonnaise. Place the fried chicken. Roll it and pin it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.